In this demo of our multi-organization monitoring system, we have a cloud infrastructure composed of an Air Force system and an external cloud provider. The Air Force is running a secondary mission software on the external cloud provider, and we would like to ensure that the Air Force instances are not running side by side with instances which are being compromised and that are sending malicious traffic. We define such a requirement as a policy. We have a problem if an instance is critical for the mission and it is running on a specific physical server, and the specified physical server is sending malicious traffic. We run the server on the console on the left. The console at the top shows the Air Force server, while the console at the bottom shows the cloud provider server. On the top right, we have a web interface for accessing the data contained in the monitoring server. The first line contains the policy specified, while the other line provides us information about which events have been received by which server. The two servers are observable through two different tabs. Information about which instances are critical enough for having such a condition are generated by the Air Force system, while information about assignment of instances to servers and which servers are generating malicious traffic is generated by the cloud provider. Our monitoring system integrates such information, but only when a problem is occurring in the infrastructure. In this case, we have that we will generate events of this kind, and these events have parameters that match the requirement. Because of this, secure two-party computation will be triggered and will eventually lead to a sharing of the server. We generate events that are injected in the proper monitoring servers. First, we generate the critical instance event. The event is received by the monitoring server of the Air Force. Then we generate the instance assigned event. The event is received by the cloud provider. Next, we generate the last event received by the cloud provider. The cloud provider receives the event and triggers a secure two-party computation that leads to the detection of the violation.